Ready to get up, Boo?
Huh?
You ready to get up?
Yeah. Big bridge.
Good morning, friends. Welcome to vlog day 7 of our Iceland Ring Road road trip.
What's up?
This morning we drove out along dirt road to get to the tallest waterfall in Iceland, which is called Glymur, and we're gonna hike about 3 miles, 5 kilometers total, to get up to it and back down. It's a little bit cold, but I think it's gonna be good.
Yeah, I think we'll warm up once we start walking.
Nathan's cutting his avocado.
I'm just going for straight energy right now, guys.
He's meant to be a vegan. Through the waterfall of death. I mean the river.
Crossed the log.
Crossed the river of death. No, I'm just kidding. It was actually so much fun.
Yeah.
And just did quite a bit of rock climbing to have to get up here. But this has been a great hike. Actually, it's probably the best hike I've ever done. I'm loving this kind of hike. We went through a cave. We went across the river where it was like, you know, scary because you could fall in. We had to scale the side of a cliff. Rocks. It was good. Now this waterfall better be worth it. You guys see it in the distance. Honestly, even if it's not worth it, I've had a great time.
Yeah. Good attitude.
Thank you. Oh, how beautiful. We did it. Hike to the top. Glymur Waterfall. Tallest waterfall in Iceland.
At 198 meters tall.
Yes. Had to hike across the river, through a cave, and scale the side of the cliffs. Well, we did it. And now we're here and it's beautiful. Yeah. So we made it to Reykjavik after our fabulous hike up Glymur. Made it back to Reykjavik, and right now we're trying to find a place to park, which is kind of tricky. Hack. Last time we were in the city, which was last Sunday, all the parking is free on Sundays. You don't have to worry about it, which is awesome for us because we can't read these signs, right? Look at this one. What the heck does that say? We don't know. We also see a sign up here that seems like we need to pay because it's Saturday, and it says Saturday, pay and display 10 to 4. But we don't know where we go to get the thing to display. And yesterday up in Akuri, we got a parking ticket because we didn't pay and display the little thing in the window, which is silly because how are we supposed to know you're supposed to do that? Because all the signs were in Icelandic. Should have asked someone. I know. I'm not trying to say they should put things in English, but we just didn't know. So we got a ticket, which was completely in Icelandic, so we're still not exactly sure how to pay it. Anyway. Oh yeah, but the thing with Akuri was you were supposed to go to a gas station or a bank to get your display thing. Like, we didn't know that. I think Nathan went to try to see if there's a pay meter somewhere. So we'll see what he says.
Parking is paid for.
Yay! Good, so how much was that?
$4 kind of.
Oh, good.
A little less, it was 400 ISK.
Okay, great, so about $3.50 to park for 2 hours.
Yeah.
Let's go get our Wi-Fi.
Y'all digging this new hairdo?
Look at his little sprout!
Oh gosh.
Yeah, now it looks really weird.
Whoa. I need to wear my toboggan.
Stop saying it that way! Oh my gosh. He thinks it's called a toboggan. I keep telling him it's either a beanie or a toboggan. But it's not even a toboggan because that's a sled. It's definitely a beanie or a hat.
No, a sled is a sled. A toboggan is a hat.
No, it's not a toboggan. Can you at least just say toboggan?
Why would you say toboggan? Like, what, is there some weird emphasis on B? It sounds like some other language.
Toboggan.
In English, we say toboggan.
No, we don't.
Toboggan.
Ew. Makes me want to puke.
Alright, well good. Let's go fill you up with noodles and then you can go puke right into your toboggan.
Let's go.
I'm eating traditional Icelandic soup in a bread bowl. So good.
So guys, I just had the best bread bowl ever. Right here. It had beef and lamb and vegetables all made into delicious soup inside a bowl of bread. Fabulous.
Vegan chocolate chip cookie. What you got there?
I got 2 chocolate cookies with peanut butter cream in the middle.
Try that, I want to see. Is that good?
So good. It's like a giant Nutter Butter Oreo.
This is like the best chocolate chip cookie I've ever had.
Whoa, look at all that steam back there. So after getting up this morning and not really eating a real breakfast, and then hiking through caves, crossing a river, and climbing a mountain to find Iceland's tallest waterfall, Glymur, we came to the city of Reykjavik and we stuffed our faces at 3 different establishments to completely make up for any exercise that we may have done earlier.
Yes.
You understand, of course, we're not trying to lose weight. We're trying to pig out while we're still in Iceland. Because when you're on a trip, calories don't count. That's the golden rule.
That's right, for sure.
It's a cultural experience.
Ooh, dirty. We just appreciate this. Wow, looking rough. All right, we got one more adventure tonight.
That's right.
We got one more adventure tonight. We're going.
Maybe, actually,
we're going,
maybe a couple.
We're going.
We don't know.
We're going.
We're gonna go hard this last night in Iceland. We're going hard, guys.
Going hard. Nathan and I are super confused. 1.7 kilometers. Because, well, surprise, surprise, we're going to the Blue Lagoon.
We weren't sure if it was gonna happen.
But then we just decided to do it. What the heck, you know?
They say you should buy your tickets months in advance. But we bought them the afternoon of, like 5 hours before we were supposed to go.
And that's why we only got tickets at the last time spot, 9 o'clock, and they're only open till 10. So we're just kind of like,
we're showing up early. We're gonna see if we can get in a little early.
Can we just swim in that?
No,
That looks
like the
beautiful.
runoff. It is beautiful.
Oh.
But
oh, I would just. Oh.
We could just save a lot of money. Well, we already paid for tickets.
In 400 meters, turn left.
What was I gonna say? Oh, we're kind of just hoping that the employee will be nice and let us in a little early. Maybe. Doesn't look too busy.
Babe, that's packed.
Yeah, it looks really busy. All right, well.
There's like 10
that
empty
looks
spots.
Not too promising for us getting in early. Maybe the Blue Lagoon is huge. Oh, it smells like sulfur. Do you smell that?
Sorry, we had a lot of beans yesterday.
Once again, I'm gonna have to leave the camera in here, so we're gonna have to vlog with the GoPro. Okay, bye.
Nice and warm.